In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use TradingView on your phone, whether you're on Android or iPhone. TradingView's mobile app is incredibly powerful. You can analyze charts, track stocks and crypto, set alerts, draw trend lines, follow watch lists, and manage your entire trading workflow right from your pocket. For many traders, the mobile version becomes their go-to tool for quick updates throughout the day. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, unlock your phone and go to your App Store. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, open the Apple App Store. Next, tap the search bar and type TradingView. You should see the official TradingView app with the recognizable logo, charts, market data, and trading tools all in one. Tap Download or Get, depending on your device. The app will install in a few moments. Once it finishes, tap Open to launch TradingView for the first time. Now, log in with your TradingView account. If you don't have one, you can create an account for free using email, Google, Apple, or even your social login. Logging in is important because it syncs your watch lists, alerts, and chart layouts across your devices. Once you're inside the app, you'll see a clean navigation bar that usually includes watch list, your favorite stocks and crypto pairs hot, the full TradingView charting experience on mobile news, live articles and market updates, ideas, community insights and analysis, notifications, alerts that trigger from price movements, tap chart to explore the real power of TradingView. You can pinch to zoom, swipe to scroll, and use the toolbar to add indicators, draw trend lines, measure price movements, or switch between timeframes. Want to track your portfolio on the go? Simply add tickers to your watch list. Want market alerts? Tap a price level and choose Set Alert. TradingView will notify you instantly, even if the app is closed. Everything you use on desktop, candlesticks, indicators, RSI, MACD, moving averages, alerts, works directly on your phone with an interface optimized for quick mobile trading. That's all there is to it. Go to your App Store, download TradingView, open the app, log in, and start charting anytime, anywhere. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.